Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and I am a bag collector. So first of all, I have this one as my everyday bag. I'm super happy with it. I've done 2 videos about it. It fits me perfectly, the size, the feeling, everything. I highly recommend it. So with that said, I have no reason at all to buy another bag. Absolutely not. And then we have these Supreme bags that I don't use at all. This was just because I could. This, I don't remember what the point was with this one. I know that my thought was to wear it as a daily bag, but I haven't used it at all, I think. This is actually kind of nice because, as the other 45, because of this handle. So when I travel, when I go on flight, when it's tight in the lane in the flight, I can carry my bag like this. Plus, I don't know the measures of these two, but I can just do like that when I travel. But I really use it. And now to the bag that I'm going to show you today. I tried to use it as a daily bag, but nah, no, it doesn't look good. Especially now when I have the other one that I really like. And the 60 liter, I have never used it. I have a blanket in it now used to fill it up, but this is a big bag. I don't know. I will never use it. I don't know why I have it. And the bags with this skateboard mount, I've the other one I think I've had a jacket hanging underneath it once, but that's it. So I have a bag that I'm super happy with. I have Supreme bags that I don't use at all, and still I buy another Supreme bag. And now let me explain this, because I have the Supreme bags that I don't use, and I just felt that if Supreme is dropping a leather bag, I will only regret it if I don't even try to buy it. And I was assuming that it would cost over $1,000, and my limit, I said to myself, were $2,000. So if the bag would cost over $2,000, I wouldn't even try to get it. But for $2,000 or slightly under, I would at least try to buy it. And I was expecting absolutely $1,000. And when the bag comes on site, the price is like $350. So for me here in Sweden with shipping, etc., it costed me around €400, which is more or less $400. So now I'm afraid that the bag is crap. So let's see. And use that they ship it just in a standard box like this. Nothing special at all. It makes me feel like the leather can't be any good. So you might think that $400, $350 is a lot for a bag, because I don't remember what the other bags cost. But I can tell you that you don't get a good leather bag for $350, and especially not when it's Supreme that charge overpriced for everything. So plastic bag. Let's see how the leather is. Silica bags. got some slight smell to it, but I wouldn't call it. Okay, it looks good. The leather is cheap leather. Let me just put this. Cheap leather. It doesn't smell like. Doesn't smell at all. Almost. Slightly smell, but I wouldn't say that it smells like leather. What I assume from the pictures that I liked is that the handle is shorter. Let me take the other one. That was a 60. Maybe they are same. But it looks good. It looks cool. I wouldn't say that it looks luxurious or something, but it looks cool. It looks like a leather bag. I wouldn't think that this is the kind of leather that will age and look better with patina. I think the other way around. I think if you get a scratch or dirty or something, it's gonna look bad. But I'm actually happy to have it. Not soft, cheap leather. It doesn't say anything at all about the leather. Let me look inside, but I don't think so. So maybe it's this kind of vegan leather. I really don't hope so, because then I don't think they should call it leather. Nope, nothing at all. All right, we did have something on the inside. It says shell is cow leather and the lining is 100% nylon, so genuine leather. So it is genuine cow leather, but it feels really cheap. Maybe it's more durable like this. Nothing at all. And people have complained about the prices on the smaller items, like the crossbody bag was over $100, the sling bag 140 or something. But if this is some kind of leather, $350 is cheap. It's very cheap. Plus, it's a Supreme item. So, like things like this, where have just been folded, it's going to look bad. Yeah, it will not age well. The leather is like the arms on a cheap Leatherman jacket with the leather arms, something like that. So I would like to know what kind of leather it is, but they haven't gone out with any information about that at all. But it doesn't feel luxurious. It doesn't feel like leather at all. It looks good. It's cool. I'm going to try to use it. It may be a bit big for me to use as a daily bag, even though it is 45 liter, but I don't know about the measures. I will post that in the blog post. This is 45. And this should be slightly larger, I think. But cool. I will have it in my collection of bags. Probably use it sometime. We have this handle on the side, on both sides. We have pockets on both sides. We have larger pockets on the, no, not larger, a small pocket on the outside, and on the inside we have a small net pocket, so it's just exactly like the cotton bags. Yeah, just that it's some kind of cheap leather instead. And we have the shoulder strap. So now I'm happy that it wasn't more expensive. but I was hoping for a $1,000, $2,000 bag that was really luxurious leather. This is not. So I would say that the price of $350 was okay price. For once, a Supreme item has a okay price. If you have any information of what kind of leather it is, let me know. Comment. I think it might be fake. I think it might be fake leather because it doesn't feel like leather, it doesn't smell like leather. They call it leather, but I know that they can call things that looks like leather, they call it leather, even though it's not genuine animal leather. I'm going to use, now it rains a lot here in Sweden, so I will not use it in rain, but I'm going to use it sometime and see how it holds up. That's it for this video. No extra gifts, only the sticker. It's been a while since I got a Supreme gift. The only new thing with the shipment is that now when I get the shipment from UPS, I have to sign the package. That's the only new thing. Now I'm gonna put my bags back. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, just comment anything. I'm here for you. Thanks for watching.